Hey guys, Volcaman86 here, and today I have a very special unboxing. This isn't my normal comic book unboxing, but instead this is a package that was just sent out today from Blizzard. As you can see, it says Shipping Department, Activision Blizzard, 4247 South Minnenewa Avenue, Fresno, California, and the package weighs 7 pounds and is labeled as fragile. The reason I used to name Volcaman86 is because I used to play Warcraft 3, and Warcraft 3 was one of my favorite all-time computer games, and my account on Warcraft 3 was called Volcaman. So when World of Warcraft came out, I used two different names. I used Raditz and Volcaman as my main names. And Volcaman has always been a special name to me because it's one of those unique names that nobody else really uses. So that's why I use Volcaman and Volcaman86 for a lot of my usernames on all my social media. So this package was sent from Blizzard for their 10-year anniversary for World of Warcraft. And I actually stopped playing World of Warcraft seriously. And actually quit altogether, really, about maybe 4 years now. Since 2010, the last serious raid I did was like Lich King. And the game has been fun, but I just don't have time for it anymore. And that's why I got phased out of it and burned out of it. I felt the game was very fun in the beginning, and then it kind of just sizzled out on me. But then I played that game so much that maybe I just burned myself out. But anyways, there are blue posts about this package on MMO Champion, and the blue trackers and the blue posts, they're saying that people are receiving the emails if they're getting this item, and they're only going to receive it if they get the email. And I literally just got my email today at 2:29 p.m. Central Time, and I got this delivered right now at 6:15 on Friday, January 16th, 2015. And the Blizzard tracker says that the people that get this item are people who had a continuous subscription with World of Warcraft for the past 10 years. We've been secretly working on creating a one-time gift to celebrate the WoW anniversary, and it's now on its way to players that have been with us since the beginning. Emails have been sent out to North America and Oceanic players to their registered address, which will include shipment tracking info. Our players in Europe will receive a similar email, and their shipments are expected to begin in the next few weeks. If you are on a North American region player, US, Canada, Oceania, Latin America, the receipt of an email is confirmation that you met the criteria to receive the anniversary celebration gift. Emails have not yet begun to be sent out to our European players, but we will start sending them soon. Shipment of the gift to EU players will begin in the next few weeks. Criteria required to receive the gift: started playing World of Warcraft within 60 days of the game launch in your region, a continuous subscription for all 10 years from launch to the anniversary. We're thankful for everyone that chooses to spend time in Azeroth with us, and hope that this small token of appreciation expresses our gratitude to those few of you that have achieved the incredible milestone of playing World of Warcraft for all these 10 years. And I've just been really lucky with my subscription. I've always kept it active, and I never canceled it. Sometimes I'm just too lazy to cancel subscriptions. But I've been fortunate enough to pay for it as well too. And if I think about it, I actually had my subscription back when it came out on auto renew for 3 months. So I've saved a lot of money just by paying a bigger sum for 3 months at a time. So I saved a lot of money than people that actually pay on a monthly basis in those 10 years. And then here's another Blue Tracker post. As a way to thank our most loyal World of Warcraft players. Actually, that's pretty much the same thing, but anyways, the date on this is today as well, January 16th. But anyways, after all that talking, let's begin the unboxing to this awesome gift that I received from Blizzard. And I'm really thankful to be receiving this because I have no idea this was going on. I don't follow World of Warcraft anymore. I do still play Hearthstone and Heroes of the Storm when I can, but World of Warcraft hasn't really been anything that I've been thinking about lately, just because I have been bored of the game truly. Blizzard. World of Warcraft 10-year anniversary, 2004 to 2014. Thank you. And as you can see, the alliance symbol there and the horde symbol. Let's take a look what's in here. If I can muster the strength to open a piece of cardboard open. And it looks like they sealed this up pretty good. As you can see, it's included in pieces here, but this is a Orc Wolf Rider statue, and this is actually really heavy. The package weighed 7 pounds, and this feels like it weighs about 5 pounds. Here's the up-close view of the statue. And the details on this is amazing. Here's the base plate. The base plate weighs a lot too. Bottom of the base plate. The orc statue is a constant presence in our life at Blizzard Entertainment. It's where we meet and talk to. It's where we meet to talk, to eat, to celebrate. As we celebrate 10 years of World of Warcraft, we present this token of appreciation to you, stalwart adventurer. Thank you for being a constant presence in our lives as we adventure together. 10-year anniversary World of Warcraft 20 2004-2014. Really awesome statue right here. Assume it goes something like this. And then it has an axe and another axe or sword here, and those will go on the arms. But I'm just going to go ahead and leave these as it is because I want to take my time to open these up, and I'd rather not rush through the process and break those fragile parts, because this is pretty fragile. It's made out of a good resin type material, but it's made to look like bronze. It's not bronze, but it's really heavy, I can tell you that. But anyways, thanks for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this really awesome surprise from Blizzard for their active subscribers for 10 years. I really like to thank them in this video because they really made my day today, big time. I was not so expecting this whatsoever. But thank you everybody for watching, and Vulcanman86 out.